A sports company was ordered to prepare 100 paper cylinders for packing shuttlecocks. The required dimensions of the cylinder are 35 centimeters length, height, and its radius is 7 centimeters. Find the required area of thick paper sheet needed to make 100 cylinders. This is the cylinder. A sports company ordered to prepare 100 cylinders for packing shuttlecocks. So this is the two lids are here, and this is the cylinder. Its radius is 7 centimeters and height of the cylinder is 35 centimeters. Now the radius of the cylinder is 7 centimeters and height of the cylinder is 35 centimeters. We need to find the total surface area of the cylinder. The total surface area of the cylinder with lids at both ends is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. Total surface area of the cylinder with lids 2 pi r into r plus h. Now this is equal to 2 into pi equal to 22 by 7 into r equal to 7 into r 7 plus h equal to 35. Now the 7 get cancelled. 7 get cancelled. This is 2 into 22, 48. 48 into 42 is equal to 1848 centimeters square. This is the total surface area of the cylinder. One lid equal to 1848 centimeters square, but we need 100 such lids. 100 lids, 100 into 1848. Area of thick paper required for 100 cylinders is equal to 100 into 1 cylinder area is 1848 into 1848. Therefore this equal to 1,84,800 centimeters square. To change into meters, this equal to 1,84,800 by 100 into 100 square we will get in meters. Therefore this equal to 18.48 meter square. Find the volume of right circular cone with radius of 6 centimeters and height 7 centimeters. Find the volume of the right circular cone. Radius is 6 centimeters and height is 7 centimeters. Now the base radius of the cone is 6 centimeters is equal to 6 centimeters. The height of the cone h is equal to 7 centimeters. Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now substitute the values in this formula. That equal to 1 by 3 into pi equal to 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 6 into 6 and h is equal to 7 into 7. Therefore, the 7 7 become cancelled. Yes, 7 7 7 cancelled. 3 2s are 6. 22 into 2 into 6. 2 6 are 12. 12 into 22 is equal to 264 cc cubic centimeters. Therefore, the volume of the right circular cone is 264 cubic centimeters. The lateral surface area of a cylinder is equal to the curved surface area of a cone. If their bases are the same, find the ratio of the height of the cylinder to the slant height of the cone. Here the cylinder is the same height, the same height. Their bases are the same. Their bases are same. That means the radius is same. Its radius of this cone and this cylinder is same. Find the ratios of the heights. We need to find that height, and the height is h. Its height is h. Its height is also h. This is h. The slant is L. Now the cylinder lateral surface area or curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH, and the cone is pi RL. Curved surface area of the cone is pi RL and curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RS, but both are same. The lateral surface area of the cylinder is equal to curved surface area of the cone. It is given the lateral surface area of the cylinder is equal to the curved surface area of the cone. That means 2 pi RH is equal to pi RL. Therefore, 2 pi RH is equal to pi RL. Then H by L is equal to pi R by 2 pi R. Pi R by 2 pi R. Pi R by 2 pi R. Here pi R and pi R cancelled. H by L is equal to, we can write 1 by 2. Pi R and pi R cancelled. H by L is equal to, we can write 1 by 2. Therefore, H by L equal to 1 by 2. H is to L is equal to 1 is to 2. H is to L is equal to 1 is to 2. Height and the slant height of the cone. Height of the cylinder and slant height of the cone is 1 is to 2. A self-help group wants to manufacture joker caps, that is conical caps of 3 centimeters radius and 4 centimeters height. If the available color paper sheet is 1000 centimeters square, then how many caps can be manufactured from that paper sheet? The conical cap is 3 centimeters radius and 4 centimeters height. Radius of the cap is 3 centimeters, height of the cap is 4 centimeters. The radius of the cap is 3 centimeters. This conical cap that is are equal to 3 centimeters, and the height of the cap is 4 centimeters. Now, To find the surface area of the cone, we need to find this slant height. The slant height L we need to find. Here this is a right angle triangle and L square is equal to this 4 square plus 3 square, h square plus r square. L square is equal to h square plus r square. So slant height L is equal to, we can write under root of h square plus r square plus h square. Under root of r is 3 and this h is 4. 3 square plus 4 square, r square, r equal to 3 and h is equal to 4. 3 square plus 4 square. But 3 square equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16. 9 plus 16 equal to 25. Under root of 25 is 5 centimeter. The slant height is 5 centimeters. Therefore, the curved surface area of a cap is, the curved surface area of the cap is equal to pi r L. We know that pi equal to 22 by 7, r equal to 3 centimeters and L equal to 5 centimeters. 22 by 7 into 3 into 5 is equal to 47.14, approximately this 47.14 centimeter square. This is for one cap. The curved surface area of the cap is 47.14, but we have that cloth is a 1000 centimeter square cloth is there. The number of caps that can be made of that 1000 centimeter square is equal to, here this is the total item, but for one cap we need 47.14 centimeter square. If we divide these 1000, each one cap is 47.14, that is 1000 by 47.14, we will get the number of caps, that equal to 21.21 caps. That means 21 is a decimal part, we need to take this because 21 caps and remaining is not required. So the number of caps equal to, we can made from this of 1000 centimeter square cloth 21 caps. Number of caps is equal to 21. A cylinder and cone have the bases of equal radius and are of equal heights, so that their volumes are in the ratio of 3:1. Cone and cylinder, the bases are equal radius and equal heights. So then the volumes of these two, cone and cylinder and cone is 3:1. We need to show that 3:1. The given dimensions are cone and cylinder is radius is r, both the same. Radius is r, cylinder radius is also r, and height of the cone is h and height of the cylinder is h, and the volume of the cone is v, we need to find, and volume of the cylinder is v. The cone, volume of the cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, and the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. we need to find the ratio of cylinder and cone. Ratio of volumes of cylinder and cone is equal to the cylinder's volume is pi r square h, and the cone volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here pi r square h cancelled, pi r square h cancelled, that equal to 1 by 3, 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means the volume of the cylinder and the cone is, the ratio is equal to 1 is to 3. Their volumes is in the ratio 1 is, no, 3 is to 1. So that is 1 is to 1 by 3 is equal to 3 is to 1. The ratio of volumes of cylinder and cone is 3 is to 1. Seventh question. A shape of solid iron rod is cylindrical. Its height is 11 centimeters and base diameter is 7 centimeters. Then find the total volume of 50 such rods. Here is this iron rod is there. It is in the shape of cylinder. And height is 11 centimeters. The diameter, this is 7. That means D equal to 2R. Then R equal to D by 2. 7 by 2. The radius is 7 by 2. We need to find total volume of such rods. This is a cylinder. 11 centimeters height, the radius equal to 3.5 centimeters. The radius of the cylinder is 3.5 centimeters. Height of the cylinder is 11 centimeters. Then the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. We know the value of pi equal to 22 by 7 and into r equal to 3.5 into 3.5 and h is equal to 11. This equal to, we can cancel 7 and 0.5 times, that equal to 423.5 centimeter cube. This is one cylinder volume is equal to 423.5 centimeter cube. But we need to find such a 50 cylinders, that equal to total volume of 50 rods is equal to 50 into 423.5 centimeters cube is equal to 21,175 centimeter cube. A heap of rice is in the form of a cone of diameter 12 meters and height 8 meters. Find its volume. How much canvas cloth is required to cover the heap? Use here pi equal to 3.14, that is 22 by 7. Here is the cone. Diameter is 12 meters. That D is given. D equal to 12 meters. R equal to D by 2 is equal to 12 by 2 is equal to 6 meters. This is the radius equal to 6 meters. And the slant height we need to find L square is equal to r square plus h square. So r square is 6 square plus h square is equal to 8 square. Okay, here he asked only volume. The height of the volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. We have height is there already, radius is there. We can find this equal to from this. The height of the cone is given. Height of the cone is given. H is equal to 8 meters. H is equal to 8 meters. R is equal to 6 meters. The volume of the cone V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. This equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r square is 6 into 6 into h is equal to 8. And here 3 2s are 6. 22 44 into 48 by 7 equal to, this equal to 301.71 meter cube. The volume of the cone is 301.71 meter cube. The curved surface area of a cone is 4070 centimeters square and its diameter is 70 centimeters. What is the slant height? And diameter is 70 centimeters. That means radius equal to r equal to, we can write 35 centimeters, because d is equal to r equal to d by 2. 70 by 2 equal to 35. We need to find this height. We need to find the slant height, and the area is given. From this we know that surface area of the cone, we know that pi r l is equal to 4070 is given. R equal to 35. So then 22 by 7 into 35 is equal to 4070 into L is equal to pi r L equal to 22 by 7 into 35 into L is equal to 4070. Here 7 5 is 35. 22 into 5, L is equal to 4070 by 22 into 5. This equal to 4070 by 110. So here 0 cancelled. 11 3 is 33 and remainder is 7. 77. 11 7 is 37. 77. So this equal to L equal to 37 centimeter square. The slant height is 37 centimeters.